Well, YouTube, I've been doing some cleaning up of that Hoover floor scrubber from the 60s. Anyways, and I finally got the handle lock work on it. So, as you can see, the hood is really nice and clean after scrubbing it off with all these little rags. They're spick and span wipes. Pop this little emblem out, washed behind, took the little cleaning rags, took it behind it, took this emblem, as you can see, washed it out. All it does is lock in there, that one in there, you just get one of them to go in where it belongs. Anyways, guys, sorry about that. Then we took the price tag off. Wiped the cord down really nice. There was a little cord clip thing that didn't have to be there, so I took that off too. It's got the original cord, as you can tell. Anyways, thanks for watching.